Good afternoon, Chairperson and Co-Chairperson, my dear friends. This is the effectiveness of and compliance of Kottivasti in chronic low BAP. And I am working in Ayurvedic Regional Research Institute, a unit of CCRS. That you see, this chronic low back pain is a very common problem. Individuals who experience persisting pain in the low back regions are generally described as a chronic low back pain, and it is extremely common and comprises 2.21% in US populations and 15% in the working group over the age of 30. And this connective tissue remodeling as a result of emotional, behavior and motor dysfunction and connective tissue stiffness due to fibrosis are the important pathogenic mechanism leading to chronicity of pain. The need of this research, why you will do research? The alternative treatment involving external application, oil massage, exercise, yoga are very commonly used in physical therapy in chronic low back pain. There have been extensive non-pharmacological interventional research and physical medicine research in the field of chronic low back pain. But Kottivasti in particular as a tool to treat low back pain has not been studied much. The aim of this study to assess whether the Kottivasti is being effectively prescribed to control low back pain in our studied group. Kottivasti is a method of treatment by returning lukewarm herbal medicated oils by special gurges and arrangement of lumbar regions and effective against lumbar spondylitis, sprain, low back pain, and it has been advanced in not causing drug-induced side effects, gastritis, sedation, etc. A total of 74 patients with chronic low back were screened from the OPD of our institutes from July 2009 to August 2010. Of these, 40 patients satisfied the inclusion criteria we are recruited, and the study design open prospective randomized control study. Inclusion criteria. This is the inclusion criteria. This is the exclusion criteria, and this is intervention, trial and control. The patients of trial group subjected to Kottivasti, whereas control group received the physical exercise. Both the groups had equal time for the treatment. This is the Kottivasti intervention and specific treatment modules has been prepared first. Patient was subject to external oil massage with fermentation with the whole body for 3 days. The liquid medication oil is kept for lower back areas with a herbal paste boundary over a period of 45 minutes to 1 hour. And the Mahanarayan Taila is used to Kottivasti for 7 days, and the temperature of the oil inside the boundary was maintained, that is 40 degrees centigrade, and the oil was changed continuous to maintain the temperature. This is the control group practices. This is the outcome variables. 4 important domains directly related to the low back pain are pain's intensity, low back pains, disability, pain, satisfaction with the treatment outcome, and work disability. And this one both groups using the visual analog scales and 0 to 10s and modified Oswald disability scales also used. This is the trial profiles. How we make this trial. This is the procedures we are employed. This is both Kottivasti and Grivavasti we are instituting. This is one trial group female patients. This is another case we are doing Kottivasti. This is the control group where we are exercise is instituted. This is the age and sex distribution of the treated cases. This is the result of all variables before and after treatment, and we get pain is significantly reduced. SLR, right leg, left leg, and ODI also significantly reduced, and female is highly significant. And the female patients are more, and these sufferers more than, and the more age is 40 to 50 years age group, and there was a significant reduction of pain in both the groups after the 7 days of Kottivasti and exercise, and there was also a significant increase in SLR in both the legs after the treatment. Modified Oswald's disability index was changed in both the groups, and 87.5% studied patients are regarded this treatment as a useful, and the effectiveness of this procedure was gradually decreased after 6 to 12 months. This is my very interesting findings. This Kottivasti effect is reduced after 6 to 12 months. And this is a randomized control study for 40% with who underwent a Kottivasti and exercise for a 1 week, such that there was a significant negative correlations in the baseline values of pain with all domains of ODI. and a week-long Katibasti increase the quality of life and spinal flexibility better than the physical therapy exercise for chronic low back pain, and more studies are required for definite conclusions to generate evidence in Katibasti. This is our thank you.